Hello everyone, my name is Black Storm here, and today I'm doing another video of where you press the button. Yes, where you press the button. And yes, you can see me. Hello. Yeah, so, let's do this. You have a great self-image, but everyone thinks you're egotistical. Why just look at the definition, and it says selfish. This is a hard one. Great self-image. I will not. You'll gain control of an army made up of 1 billion army warbears. But Godzilla attacked Sweden. Doing it. You can change anything about your body at will. Sex, race, hair, length and color, etc. And the cloths you're wearing during a change outfit to your body. But every time you change, every article of clothing you own but are not wearing or physical contact with disappears, replacing by however much money they are worth. No, because I like who I am. You become the smartest person on Earth, but you're also the ugly person on Earth. No. You become irresistible, invincible, and immortal. Hell yeah, I don't really eat bacon that much. I can do that. That was a good one. You don't have to sleep, but you'll be hyperactive. You won't be able to stand still. That's what I do most of the time. Almost most of the time. So. You can eat anything you want without getting fat and you'll starve forever thin. But your food tastes like water and plastic. No, I will not. You get to control the universe, but you can't control Earth and solar system. Oh, that'd be a good one. I don't, no. You can control time, pause, rewind, fast forward, but you have to eat your own vomit once a week. I've done that before. No. Freaking Portal. You acquire better and perfect vision, but you become colorblind. Sure? Be able to read minds, but not be able to turn off other thoughts when you want. No. Thank you. Any one Pokemon you choose becomes real, but I don't have enough badges to train it. You'll live forever, but everyone else in the world only lives up to 21. That's okay? And no. You never have to go to jail regardless of any crime you commit, but the entire world gets ways to know what your internet browsing history is, even if it's hidden or has been deleted. So that's good. You get $2,000 a day. That's what I do most of the time. You become conscious in your dreams when you sleep. But interacting with it could affect your personality and identity drastically. Sure, but I want to interact with it. That'd be cool. Um. So no, we're not. You live forever. Can't become famous. Can't become rich. You can only live an average born life. But average lifespan, building a family, something great. What? So live forever. No. Thank you. Have the best computer in the world, but can't play any sports. Well, no. I like sports. Become immortal, but you still cannot die or look at swallowed by the sun. Sure. I'm the best actor in the. Hell yeah, I would. I mean, I don't need to fall in love. So, good one. You could read a whole book in minutes, but you won't talk about the book and the speed you read it. No. I like reading books. The government becomes effective, but all of its days come donations. No. Your body becomes living stone, never needing to eat, sleep, or drink. But you can never touch them. What kind of question is that? You can travel to the past and destroy Hitler before the Holocaust, but you'd be stuck in the past. No. Become a god in of technological invention, able to make the most amazing advances. But every fifth invention will be used for evil. You invent something new each month. You have unlimited supply of money, but you have to ride the bus twice a day for an hour and a half each time. And I'm gonna hell yeah, I'll do that. Can learn anything in a minute. How to play a sport, how to cook, etc. Like in Matrix. That's for 1 month and disappear forever from mind. No, I did not. Bad. You have a ticket to experience walking on Pluto. Takes 10 years. No. Nope. You can fly wherever and wherever you want. Fuck yeah. No. You will get $1 million or your original equivalent, but it work 5-hour days a week for the next 2 years with the same pay. No, terrible. It's okay. I can just, go to the store. Yeah, look at this comment. So I can open a restaurant and make tons of money to buy my favorite food. That's a good one. I like that. You got the car of your dreams. Hell yeah. You eliminate one internet community of your choice. No. Sure. You know it. Okay, last one for tonight. You'll have a great relationship, just like you imagined, but going to see your friends once a year. Well, this is a no-brainer question here. Not gonna press the button. but I would not press the button because I don't like being in a relationship and I like visiting with friends. So, guys, this is it. It's Black Storm here, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.